How to customize your LinkedIn public profile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about customizing and editing your LinkedIn public profile. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go to linkedin.com and then make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, if you're currently on the feed page, click on the name or click on the me icon in the top in order to simply access your profile. So once on your profile page, you have two options for editing. If you know which section you want to change, hover over it and click on this pencil icon over here. You can modify your profile picture, name, headline, education, industry, and contact information. You can just simply click on any section you like and then type or edit. You can also add a profile section or enhance your profile, go through various resources like sending the profile in a message, saving as PDF, updating your personal demographic information, saved items, activity, and about this profile. And if you come down, you can again click on this pencil icon over here to get track of what you have posted in your LinkedIn. And you can also add your experience, your education, skills, interest, and a lot more things in your profile. So if you want to add new sections, you can scroll down on your profile and you will find an option to add a profile section as well. So that's how you can edit and customize your LinkedIn public profile. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.